Now, let me carefully explain how to use AI clippers effectively on your phone so you can create amazing video highlights effortlessly. Now, let's begin by understanding what a clipper is. It's a feature that automatically finds the best moments. It automatically finds the best moments in your videos, expertly cutting long footage into engaging, shorter clips for you. It creates short clips and prepares ready-to-use videos for TikTok, Reels, or even Shorts, as you can see from this example. Now, let's explore how to enable the AI Clipper on your phone, including adding subtitles and cropping videos. Now let's open the CapCut app together. Carefully launch it and make sure to log into your account for access. After that, you will find the AI Tools section where you can explore various options. Let's dive into it together. Here I just entered, and of course there might be more options right here. Now let's take a closer look together at where we can find everything we need in this section, shall we? Here are the AI tools you can use, such as AI Lab or AI Clipper. The names might vary slightly, as you can see here. Let's explore. Depending on the region, it appears for me as AI Poster. Now, let's explore how this feature works and what it can do for you. As you can see here, it offers various options to enhance your content creation experience. Now let's move to the next step. You simply upload your video there, and I'll guide you through. I will select a specific video like this one that I previously uploaded. Let's dive in and explore its features together. Here's a video I uploaded, and you can select long videos, for example, those around 10 minutes long. Now, as you can see here, you need to select the duration of your video, around 10 minutes, and then simply press the Start button. After that, choose your desired mode for editing. There are 3 options available, one based on voice, another on music, and the last one is fully customizable for you. Choose the one you like best, and that's all there is to it. Thank you all for watching this video, wishing everyone good luck, and now it's time to say goodbye. See you soon.